Hello everyone, welcome back, and you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you 6 ways to fix the iTunes store is unable to process purchase at this time. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Solution number 1. Check system status. To check that, go to apple.com and check the Apple server is stable or not. If the system status is stable, then we go for some other solutions. Solution number 2. Check for software update. For that, first launch settings and tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 3. Check your date and time. To check that, go to settings, tap general, and under general tap date and time and tap set automatically or set your time zone according to your current location. Solution number 4. Refresh Wi-Fi. For that, go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi and turn off your Wi-Fi. Now wait for a few seconds and turn on your Wi-Fi, and also make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Solution number 5. Sign out and sign in back. For that, go to settings, tap on your profile name, scroll down and tap sign out. After sign out, wait for a couple of minutes and sign in back. Solution number 6. Update or resubmit your billing information. For that, launch settings, tap on your profile name. Now tap payment and shipping. Next, tap on add payment method and update your billing information. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.